There's more money out there than you actually think. There's more abundance out there. My takeaways from 5-day workshop that I was at with Ryan Pinnock. One of the lessons I had from a workshop, it was an actual exercise we had in the workshop, and we were challenged by Ryan to go out and get stuff for free using the techniques that we've been learning about removing fear, our ego, and focusing on what we want. So through doing that, we had a lunchtime break, and we had about roughly an hour to go on our lunch break when we're getting our lunch and ask for something for free. One of the lessons I learned from that exercise is to not hold back, because what actually happened for me is I got a bit of momentum. This came out of nowhere, but I went and I looked at the bananas when I was about to buy my lunch, and I said to the guy who had been buying my lunch from most of the days of the workshop, so I had a bit of a relationship which helped. I started off small, an easy thing, and I said, could I get 2 bananas for the price of 1? And he said, yeah, sure, and gave me that. And then from there, I went on to get 3 free cookies. I only asked for 1 cookie actually. I just said, can I get a free cookie? But she mistake the word free with 3. And then she ended up giving me 3 free cookies in the end. So the lesson there as well is in terms of business and everything, there's more money out there than you actually think. There's more abundance out there. It reminds me of the principle of the eat that frog. If you were to start the day by eating the most juicy, disgusting frog, if you were to eat a frog first thing in the morning, if that was the first thing you were to do every morning, you'd know by going about the rest of the day that was the worst possible thing you were going to do. And the point of that lesson is that if we start by eating the frog, as in doing your worst task that needs to be done first thing in the morning, then you'll have that kind of momentum to complete the rest of your tasks, knowing that it's not going to get much worse than that. Yeah, don't hold back, because when you ask, you end up getting, and sometimes you get even more than you ask for.